Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Stella, and today we have a really cute package to unpack. So before I hop into this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe this video if you like videos like this, and make sure you turn on that bell to see when I post a new video. Alright, so pardon my voice, I'm a little bit going with the winter spirit and catching a cold, but let's hope it shall pass soon. So for this video, I'm partnered with HapaKristin. They managed to find me on Instagram and send me a box, a Christmas box. I don't know if you guys can see all of it. A Christmas box of contact lenses, and I have not touched it yet. I haven't gone inside it. I just took it. Out of the envelope, and I ran into recording this video. So yeah, since this fell down, it says, "Welcome to Kristin's year-end party. Leave the gift first and then go." All right, let's see. Let me say that I am really amazed by the package. This is like the cutest package I've gotten in a long time. This is Kristin, guys. This is Kristin. So, opening the pack, we can find. Let me see what we can find. Oh my God, this is also beautiful. So beautiful. This is a package for Christmas that you can get if you order from the 14th of December. So you got your time and you got a code for extra discount. It says, "Goodbye 2020, let's enjoy the holidays. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2021. Hello, let's go." So we got those little packagings. I've seen how the packaging looks like because I watched like a couple of other videos, and I know how they look like so far. Oh my God, it's just so pretty. And they also sent some Christmas festive contact solution, which is awesome. And let's see, there's nothing else in here. Nope, there's nothing else. Cute little box we can put things in. So let me take a second to show you those two. This is contact lens solution. It's mini size, which means that you can take it and travel with it, which is awesome if you're traveling with a lot with the plane. Not at the time being, but like if you're generally traveling a lot, they don't let like too big of packagings, so those are perfect. So let me see what I have. You can see these boxes are like little pill boxes, and they all have different words for Kristin. So we got Cheerful Kristin, Micdrop Kristin, Oversentimental Kristin, and then I got this one. I'm not sure why this one is so much bigger, which says Solitary Kristin, and she's all alone next to the birthday cake. It says 10 pieces for 1 day. Okay, so I received 5 pairs, since it has 10 pieces, 5 pairs of daily contacts, and those 3 are monthly contacts, and they have 1 pair each. So which one do you think we should get started with? Let's see. Let's take them with alphabetical order. What do you guys think? Let's go with Cheerful Kristin first. All right. Okay. In the packaging, he says, "Hey Kristin, how are you today?" So pretty much playing with all the colors and stuff. I bet that this is what it says in every box. Yes, it does. This is in a violet color, it says. So let me open it. Ow. Okay. All right. The pack comes with the lenses in this cute little case. You can see the lens right here, and this is how it looks behind it. And it also has instructions coming with it, which look like this. It's visual, pretty self-explanatory. If you're putting lenses on for the first time, this is going to be really helpful. And you have a little poster of Kristin with an egg on her head. All right, here we go. One thing I'm not seeing and I'm a little skeptical is that I haven't found any lens cases, but I guess we're gonna use our old ones if I have any. All right, let me see. Guys, this is so easy to open. It has this little thing and you just whoop out. Yeah. Really easy, really different than the others that I've opened so far from any other company. Let's see how they wear them. Wow, okay, this says it is a violet color. It looks to me like it's some hazel tone. It's really just blending in there. Make my pupil a little bigger, iris, a little bigger with a limbal ring. And let me see the other one. Oh boy. Okay, so there we go. This is called, once again, Cheerful Kristin. It's really bright, really nice. It gives a really natural effect. I have already forgotten that I'm wearing them. Pretty comfortable. And the color is called Violet. Cheerful Kristin Violet. Those have no prescription because I got a 2020 vision, so I don't need any prescription, but you can also get them with prescription. So, come real close to you guys. Let me take those off, put the next one in. All right, moving on to Micdrop Kristin in color green. Amazing. Let me tell you that HapaKristin is a pretty new brand. It has been around for a little more than a year, I think. And also, they are Korean based. So Korean beauty, all the cuteness we embrace. And let's see how this one looks like. Let me take a second and show you. Like, so beautiful. So this looks like it's green. It doesn't look like it has any enlarging effect. It looks like pretty much it's blending into the eye. Let's see the treat. So yeah, this is definitely not making my eye any bigger. It's just blending into the brown of my eye, and it's just giving it that green tint. Uh-oh, the other one is kind of stuck. All right. Okay, so both are in. Very nice. That is really slight tint though. Like, it comes out really natural. If somebody sees me, I bet they're not gonna be like, hey, you're wearing lenses, don't you? It looks really awesome. yeah, one thing I can say is that they are pretty comfortable. Oh my god, I messed up my shirt. Okay, and now let's go to Oversentimental, Kristin. I never knew how forever felt like. It says, oh my god, they all have little quotes on top of them. Micdrop Kristin said, are you free tomorrow? No, I'm expensive. And Cheerful Kristin said, let your dreams be your wings. Beautiful. This is giving me like a little note of you know, like happiness. I'm getting to know Kristin. I kind of love her. I want to hang out with her and stuff. All right, moving to this one. This is a gray lens. Oversentimental Kristin, I'm saying again. Let's open and see how it looks like. Oh, oof, didn't show you how it looks like that. All right, this does have a ring, a limpal ring. It's probably gonna make our eyes look a little bigger. Let's see. Yeah, it looks bigger, it looks more intense. Looks like this make you feel like you can just do a smoky or just a cat liner and you still got it the same, because it just gives your eye, like, you know, it just pretty much does your eyeliner at your iris. You know what I'm saying? Like the shadowing thing. You with me? Following? Right, you can see that it's blending in my eyes so well, like honestly so well. Okay, what do you guys think? Usually when I'm looking for lenses, I'm looking for something like too intense, too different, too bright, but getting to know those colors, they look pretty legit. Like this gives me instantly, I don't know, like, hi, you wanna hang out? All right, let me come closer to you guys. And that was with our monthly lenses. So they also sent me this little box that has 5 pairs of daily lenses, and I am surely gonna wear them today, tomorrow, day after, and so that I can test the colors and see if I would buy more of them. Okay. Beware. Oh, okay. It just came out in compact. Oh, all right. Oh my goodness. No, they're all the same. Okay, they all look like the same color. You can see them here. They all look like the same. So I will only try one of those. This is in color Hazel, and it says, the house is burning, but everything is fine. Solitary Kristin. So this is in color brown. I was expecting more colors, to be honest, but since they are the same color, we got some extra days. So let's wear those 2. Whoa. Okay, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Kim K at the Met, was it? That she wore a really brown, intense eye, you know, with that wet dress that she wore. Yeah, this is pretty close to my actual eye color. I don't know if I would wear lenses to achieve that, but honestly, it makes my eyes a lot bigger, which also means that it makes me look like an anime character, which we all love, don't we? Alrighty. Honestly, whatever lenses I'm putting, I usually like them a lot because it gives me a little different color in my eyes. This is really warm. This is really I don't know, you can totally go with it for winter, and you can totally enlarge your little eyes if you have small pupils like I do. Not pupils, irises. If you have small irises like I do. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. Let me come closer to you guys. So yeah, I think with this we conclude the looks. Honestly, I will totally wear this today. I'm gonna see if anybody notices, anybody from the stream probably, because I don't have like really much contact with anyone. So yeah, virus times. Anyways, I'm gonna go back and drink the rest of my coffee and see what they have on their Instagram. Don't forget guys that if you like the colors or if you like the packaging, because some people just buy just for the packaging too, you can totally check them out in their Instagram. You can use my code below for extra bucks off, and I'm gonna write it right here and I'm gonna have it in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can see my next video. Until then, bye bye. I will see you guys soon.